Saffron milk cake Alaska. The concept behind this dessert is inspired from baked Alaska, or it's called Norwegian omelette or omelette surprise. It's done with ice creams, then cake, then it's a meringue actually. It's a whipped egg white with sugar, and then it's slightly flambéed or it's slightly blotched to make it brown. Slightly cook the egg white from the top side, and it's very soft inside. So I just adapted the milk cake version. The milk cake is one of the most popular dessert in Middle East, and it's one of the fast selling in any restaurants. Basically, it's made with a cake soaked in saffron milk, or it can be anything, pistachio milk, rose milk, and it's topped with whipped cream, very airy, light dessert. The milk should be thin, it should not be heavy. And so I adapted the same concept and brought it back with meringue on top and lightly flambéed with any spirit what you have. So I just used some Japanese whiskey, but if you have a rum, that is the best option. And try it. You can try it at home. If you don't want alcohol, okay, skip it. You can just lightly blotch it, or use a long lighter to just burn it on the side or slightly brown it. So enjoy the dessert, try it home, and let me know your feedback. Thank you. Do subscribe and click the bell icon if you are watching it in the YouTube. Believe me, it was one of the amazing dessert we made, and try at home. Thanks for subscribing and comment on one of our top 3 videos. You should get a gift voucher worth